Hey guys, in this video we are talking about Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, Google's upcoming two new smartphones, release date, specs, design, price, availability. And first of all, Google Pixel 6 case renders are now have appeared on the Alibaba website, revealing the same design of the upcoming smartphone. The new renders confirm that the upcoming Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro will feature a rear camera bump at the top center of the rear panel, with the camera module horizontally aligned with volume rocker key and a power button on the side, and the USB Type-C port at the bottom. Previously leaked Google Pixel 6 renders revealed the phone's design same as the latest. Pixel 6 and 6 Pro leaked image show a center align punch hole display, a refreshed rear panel design with a dual-tone finish. The device will come with 6.4-inch flat display and rear camera and an in-display fingerprint sensor, wireless charging and bottom side stereo speaker. The image confirms SIM bezels on the top and sides with this slim thin. The dual tone finish have a thin strip on orange with the G logo in the orange, and the device will come with the dual lens is 2021. Google will use own chips this year co-developed with Samsung for the upcoming Pixel 6 series, and the device will run the latest Android 12 out of the box. Popular tipster Zone Processor previously leaked the Pixel 6 series first look on YouTube, revealing the complete design of the upcoming Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 6 XL. Google Pixel 6 release date is not yet, but the internal gain rumors and leaks is going to follow the same launch periods for Pixel 6. The upcoming Google Pixel 6 launch will happen in October 21. Pixel 6 has already been leaked a few times, come with an in-house Google chip. The upcoming Google flagship will be running on in-the-house Google-made chipset codenamed Whitechapel. The latest report by XDA developers again confirmed the same, with a screenshot of Whitechapel text mentioned in a code change submit to AOSP in the URL. At the same time, Pixel A launch is expected by June, and it will feature the Snapdragon 765G SoC. Coming back to the Pixel 6 URL leaks, Whitechapel refers to Google's own chipset, and GS101 means Google Silicon. The Google Whitechapel chip is being manufactured in association with Samsung System Large Scale Integration Division. Exynos chips use the same SLSI in technology as expect similars. It's already been confirmed in early leaks that Google will start making its own chip from Pixel 6 series instead of using Qualcomm SoCs.